Hey, what's up, Bat Babies? It's your boy, Fernie Mac. Welcome to my bedroom. This is the Vampire Den. Today, guys, I'm gonna do a little bit of tattooing on my friend here. This is Phoenix Fox, the lovely Phoenix Fox.
She's the girl who works at Spencer's.
Yeah, she's the girl that works at Spencer's. If you guys ever been to Spencer's, you probably have seen her. So we're gonna do some tattooing today, because we're metal as fuck. Phoenix drew this. Isn't it sick? I'm gonna do my best to tattoo her. I'm basically a professional, and if you're not a professional, don't try this at home, kids. It's my rotary machine. We are using today True Black, because what emo kid doesn't want black tattoos?
Stencil care.
This is the main tattoo ink you'll ever need. True Black. Just black everything, man. That's how I feel. That's my soul color. My aura, guys. French piece. Wee. Fucking wee. It's French for penis. Just kidding.
You know dork is whale penis? Get dorked. Oof.
Get whale penised.
Ew.
These are my sharp pokey sticks. They put ink in people's skin. And they hurt. That's why I like them.
Stab, 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 stab,
Stabby, stabby, stabby.
Stab, stab, stab.
I'm probably like the tattoo artist that most people wouldn't want. I'm just like, needles are fun.
Fucking stab me, bitch.
Stab, stab, stab. My gay voice, guys. This is how I'm just gonna talk all the time from now on.
Vanilla.
Vanilla punch, guys. Do you have a gay voice?
Yeah. Fucking fabulous.
Okay, sick. I'm not the only one
No.
with the gay voice.
Yes.
Oh, even Freddie with the gay voice.
Yes,
Oh,
bitch.
yes, queen.
Yes, queen. Slay.
Slide, bitch.
Bitch. So right now we are just tracing the stencil. You need a fucking stencil. Don't just go freehand, or else you'll just come out with a really shitty tattoo. Up here in Fernie's Tattoo Studios, we don't want that.
But it's traditional work. Like, amazing. That sucks.
I'm just trying to get some like cool shots.
You could cut it now if you want, just to save me time.
I don't want to save you time now.
Fuck. Okay, so proper sanitation, guys. That includes clean needle, fresh needle, and pair of gloves. Right about here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm applying some stencil cream here. So it's gonna help transfer the ink over. So about like that, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Close-up shot.
Cool. Looks alright.
Yeah.
A little bit of True Black ink in the cup. Probably like that for a rotary machine. This kind of helps the ink from moving around on the tattoo.
Y'all good over there?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just a pussy.
It's the face of a champion. Learn to recognize Phoenix Fox.
No. Thank you. I'm a pussy. It like tickles, but it hurts at the same time. It's fucking weird.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how hurt are you?
6. I'm just a pussy. It tickles. It's uncomfortable, and my leg feels numb, but in pain at the same time. It's fucking weird.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll wipe it and take a look.
The leathers are good. Flip. Tattoo number 3.
Nice. Like a light. Sick. If you guys like that tattoo, give this a thumbs up. Yeah, if you guys want to see more tattoo videos, anything in particular, just leave it in the comments. And your boyfriend loves ya. Take care, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.